moisture, maybe because of I don't know if it is. I don't know what it is, but it's moisture where if the paste resurface, we won't see this moisture.
So this is part of the condition of the market for itself.
What's my working about? Yeah, yes, you know.
You know, figure you know.
All right. Talk to us now on the public order reset, where vendors are pushing back against going into the markets. Your view on that as a member of parliament for Western and Central?
Okay, all right. As it relates to public order, I'm in full support of public order, but as it relates to the market, you know, as we speak, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And, you know, we want to ensure that the vendors are in a safe place, safe from, you know, zinc flying, you know, security concerns as well, because then I understand that the vendors got robbed several times, and that is a major concern. There are other concerns, you know, as you would have heard before, that the minister, the Honourable Minister, Desmond Mackenzie, would have pledged millions of dollars to do some rehabilitation of the market. That has not been done as yet, but I know in short order that will be done.
So are you in support of them going to the market in the current condition?
At the current condition, and I will show you in a while why I say no, because the market is leaking. I just spoke to a lady there. She sells clothes, and she said whenever time the rain starts, she have to move her clothes. You know, the market is, and that is just a clothes section. And if you go inside the food section, there's a lot of zinc that been moved. And I understand, she told me this morning that her mother died 3 years ago, and it was before her mother died. So I'm just saying that all these issues need to be addressed before.
In the interim, though, what would you recommend that is done for these vendors if you are not asking that they go into the current market as it is?
Well, I would recommend that they get some time, you know, for the municipal corporation to do some work here to accommodate them here in the market. Because it's not just for the vendors, you know, we're talking about customers as well, and we are looking about the safety of customers and also the vendors.